See, now the topic is tablet defects. See, under the visual defects, first one is process related. Under the process related, what are the different types of tablet defects we can observe? Process related is capping, lamination, cracking, and chipping. Next one is formulation related. Under the formulation related, it is sticking, picking, and binding. Next one is mission related, that is double impression. See, capping nothing but the upper layer of the tablet or lower layer of the tablet is get separated. Either upper layer or lower layer of the tablet is get separated from this body. See, this is the upper layer. Here down another down layer. This is a body. We can call it a body of the tablet. Body of the tablet. Splitting off either upper layer or down layer of the tablet from the body of the tablet. From the main body of the tablet, you can call as capping or splitting. When it will happen means during the ejection of the tablet from the tablet bus. Next one is lamination. Lamination nothing but splitting of tablet into two or more. See, one, two, three. Splitting of tablet into two or more than two horizontal layers. This is a one, second layer, third layer. Like that, lamination nothing but splitting of tablet into two or more than two horizontal layers. We can call it a lamination. Next one is chipping. Chipping nothing but the edges. See, the edges of the tablet get eroded. See, the tablet edges will get eroded, hence we can call it chipping. Like we can keep some of the chips like memory, hence we can call it chipping. Next one is cracking. Cracking nothing but some of the cracks appear on the see cracks. Some of the cracks appears on the tablet surface. On the tablet surface, we will get some of the cracks, hence we can call it cracking. Next one is binding. See, and binding nothing but the tablet that will stick to the die cavity. The tablet will stick to the die cavity because of this sticking. When this upper punch is removed upside, then what will happen means some of the surface of that particular tablet is get taken up by this punch. As a result, we will get this kind of tablet. That is, we can call it a binding effect. Binding simply nothing but tablet will stick to the die cavity. Once the tablet will stick to the die cavity, then what will happen? When we are removing the upper punch, then some of the tablet will get bound to the upper punch. So this is about the binding. Next one is mottling. Mottling nothing but unequal or improper distribution of color. See, unequal. You can observe, see the color is improperly distributed. Here also color, here also. The colors in these tablets are improperly or non-uniformly distributed. Hence, we can call it a mottling. They have asked this in all these tablet defects. They have asked in many times for the GPAT. Next one is sticking. This sticking nothing but the tablet can be. This is a tablet that can be adhered to the die. The tablet that is adhered to the die, because of that adherence, the side of the tablet surface is get removed. The side of the tablet surface, see some of the white colored spots we are observing, the sides of the tablet is get removed off. Picking nothing but picking nothing but pinholes picking nothing but pinholes on the tablet surface. This, like this pinholes will be there on the tablet surface, we can call as picking. So this is about the different kinds of tablet defects.